good, and welcome to the Friday Celebration Assembly. We're so excited that you're here today to share the wonderful news of all the awards the children have won this week. Are you ready, Betty? She is. She's actually been bugging me since yesterday, and I had to tell her, wait. We have to wait till Friday. So she's really excited about it, aren't you, Betty? Yes, she is. Right, Betty? You know what to do. Go sit down. All right, children, are you ready? Are you ready for hearing who our award winners are? All right. I hope that this week you had some really good conversations. Yes? Good. Now, first we have our Going for Gold awards. In Leeds class, we have Isabel and Willow M. for helping to count the children at register time. We also have David. Well done. In York class, we have Jackson for a super caption about farm animals, and Leo for remembering the difference between a square and a rectangle. In Hull class, we have Samuel for producing some super sentences about Brazil, and Henry for following instructions to draw a fabulous frog. In Nottingham class, we have Naima for persevering in computing lessons when learning about coding, and Archie for fantastic effort in computing. In Liverpool, we have Susanna K for some wonderful color mixing and collage work on the rainforest. We also have Harrison for great spelling in Read Write Ink. In Cardiff class, we have Layla for settling in really well and confidently joining in with lessons, and Caleb for trying hard in morning maths. In Edinburgh class, we have Amelia for superb listening, focus, and acting during the show rehearsals, and Charlie for the enthusiasm in singing during the show rehearsals. In Cambridge class, we have Tilly for showing perseverance and resilience in maths, and Kristen for being a good friend and showing kindness to others. In London class, we have Poppy for persevering with division work this week, and Jacob A for reading aloud in class and trying hard with his division questions. In Oxford class, we have Kyla for displaying excellent problem-solving skills in maths, and we have Molly for writing a wonderful fable. In London class, we have Emmanuel for following his work when choosing a routine. And Chester, we have Reuben for excellent effort with writing this week. Well done to all of you. Excellent work. I'm really proud of you. Now, are you ready to hear about the Year of Being Healthy awards? Yes? Okay, here we go. In Leeds class, we have Rory and David for talking about their favorite superhero. We have York class, Olivia for listening to instructions and following the rules of the game in PE, and Caden for independently getting changed in PE. In Hull class, we have Mia for dancing and enjoying her fantastic Zumba routine, and Anaya for keeping the correct number of steps and movements in the dance lesson. In Nottingham class, we have Harrison for having a positive attitude towards his learning, and Caleb for working hard and enjoying himself. In Liverpool class, we have Jacob B for showing resilience in waiting his turn on the trim trail, and Julia for great teamwork in PE. In Cardiff class, we have Evie for being an excellent friend at lunch times, and Lacey for trying to be positive even if things are tricky. We have in Edinburgh class Jacob for acting on advice given to Mom at Parents' Evening, and Ruby for always trying to be a kind friend. In Cambridge class, we have Madison for showing creativity and confidence in outdoor PE, and Nicola for showing creativity and confidence in outdoor PE. In London class, we have Ethan for being extremely creative outdoors. He has made working bow and arrow with the sticks. We also have Joshua for showing kindness and inviting others to play. In Oxford class, we have Cooper for being able to have a mature conversation about his work. And George for being able to discuss his thoughts and ideas in a mature way. In Lincoln class, we have Abraham for communicating his wants with adults. And Chester, we have James for fantastic progress at swimming. Well done, children, well done. Now, Betty and I are always so very proud of all of you, and we really are excited about the awards we've given out today. Well done to all of you, and we look forward to seeing what next week holds. I know that you're going to be working hard. Have a good week. Have a good weekend. See you later.